So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So here we're bringing you something very special, no pun intended, the special Select Del Mar. So this is a Scotty Cameron, and many of you have been asking me, what is exactly these two round things that are on this putt? So basically, these circular items, which says 15 on one side and 15 on the other, are weights. Basically, the distribution of the weights are here. So basically, you can unscroll them and change the weights depending on how you like your actual putt, heavier or less heavier. So it's really curious, and many of you have been asking me, so I wanted to bring it here. Now, it is true that this Scotty Cameron is a few years old, but I think it's pretty much amazing, and I strongly recommend that if you can, try it out, because it's a truly amazing piece. So this weights normally do not come with the actual Scotty. You've got to buy them, and with a special tool, you can unscrew them and put the weight distribution that you want, whether it's 15, 20, or 10, whichever it is. Okay, so as always, if you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below, and thank you very much for watching.